Delivering high-quality, subsidized goods across an entire state usually guarantees a massive logistical bottleneck. The margins disappear, and the supply chain often fractures under the crushing weight of millions of daily units. The state of Odisha bypasses this by providing hot, hygienic meals of cooked rice and dalma to citizens every day, and they do it for exactly 5 rupees. The strategy relies on intercepting the urban poor exactly where they naturally congregate. Over 100 Ahar centers operate across all 30 districts, strategically anchored right next to bus stands and railway stations. This geographic targeting extends straight into the healthcare system. At select locations near major hospitals, the program serves night meals to support patient attendees and visitors who have nowhere else to eat. Managing this volume of daily cooking and distribution requires a massive workforce, which the government decentralized to local communities. The kitchens and operational management are led by Mission Shakti, a network of local, women-led self-help groups. By narrowing the menu to simple, local staples like rice and dalma, the state allows these localized groups to maintain high hygiene and speed across 100 different kitchens without needing a complex central bureaucracy. When interacting with state welfare programs, we expect heavy friction. You usually need an Aadhaar card, income certificates, and a series of KYC checks just to prove you qualify. This diagram compares the standard bureaucratic funnel on the left to the Ahar system on the right: 0 documents. Demanding paperwork blocks vulnerable demographics, like migrant workers traveling light, so the registration pipeline is scrapped for a physical, walk-in design functioning like a service counter. The user journey starts with a simple physical action. Locate any designated Ahar center near a hospital or transit hub and walk through the door during meal hours. At the counter, the user hands over a physical 5 rupee coin to the operator and receives a meal ticket. There are no digital payment barriers or complicated financial gateways to navigate. They take that ticket to the serving counter and immediately collect a plate of freshly cooked rice and dalma. The entire exchange operates strictly on a first-come, first-served basis. Removing identity verification entirely ensures that an undocumented transient worker arriving in a new city today can secure a hot meal within minutes of stepping off the train. Highly subsidized programs usually attract bad actors, looking to siphon funds or charge tolls for access. To prevent this, the state enforces an uncompromising financial rule. The meal costs exactly 5 rupees, with 0 administrative fees or hidden charges. Occasionally, a scammer will approach a citizen demanding money and promising to enroll them into the Ahar scheme. The scam completely fails because there is no enrollment database to join in the first place. A middleman cannot charge you for access to a system that explicitly refuses to register anyone. By keeping the doors wide open and serving any individual who walks in, the scheme neutralizes predatory agents before they can even set up shop. The Ahar Yojana illustrates how you build high-impact logistics at scale. You remove the bureaucratic bottlenecks and trust decentralized local operators to manage the physical product. To map out the eligibilities for this scheme and to learn how to adapt these operational blueprints for your own projects, visit NirmanKit.in. Whether in public policy or private enterprise, the most effective systems are those that minimize the steps between a person in need and the solution they're looking for.